Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day. 2 T-5Rs. One in better shape than the other, but this one will rise again. Gotta keep them T-5Rs going. We're gonna replace the door on this one, fix the reclining seats, and see where we're gonna go from there. T-5R, baby! The brakes are bumping. And it's got a new instrument cluster. The new instrument cluster has 247 on it. So this car probably has 350 on it. Seat recliners repaired. Woohoo! Just loaded up a COVID test, about to look at the results. Bam! I got COVID. Ain't that a mess? Well, I don't think that could be any more positive than it is. I've told 2 shifts about this free beer out here at this Holiday Inn Express. They don't seem to be able to do nothing about that. Maybe somebody will come get it sooner or later before some child finds it. Walking in the junkyard. Can't get no easier than this, party people. See the 850 from the gate. Look like a 940 over there. Red one. Let me go see what this 850 got, if it got anything I need. I'd have to say it's got a pretty decent dash pad. The dash is a little mucked up. Somebody jacked up the door. It's got a nice center console piece. Man, I don't have any tools, so I'm gonna have to find some place to buy some tools to get this stuff out of here. Be cheaper than me going home and coming back. So let me get some tools so I can get a few things from this car and come back and grab it. Boy, they got an S70 here with some beautiful wood in it. Like dark cherry. Man, those pieces are pretty. Roof trim starting to crack. Look like you got hit on the side up there. One of those new tubes in it. Those are always fun to grab. GLT. He said it had a 4-speed transmission, but it looks like a 5-speed. Let me take a closer look. Yeah, it's a 5-speed transmission in that thing. Man, some monster destroyed these door panels. And these are kind of hard to find, these black door panels. Anyway, I'm going to take the dash pad, the center console, the climate control unit, and that's probably going to be it for me. Let's get cracking. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.